If you're looking to combine time tracking with goal setting, this video will give you the exact strategy to achieve more by being more efficient with your time. By the end, you'll know how to track your time and align it with your goals in a way that keeps you on track and focused. First, let's talk about why combining time tracking with goal setting works. The idea is simple. Tracking your time gives you clear insights into how your day actually goes, while goal setting ensures that your time is being spent on things that matter. Together, they create a system where you know exactly how you're spending your time and whether it's moving you closer to your objectives. Without one or the other, you risk either wasting time or setting unrealistic goals. Now let's get into how you can make this combination work. Start by setting clear, measurable goals. For example, rather than a vague goal like get better at work, set a specific goal like complete 10 tasks in my work project this week. The more precise your goal, the better you can align your time with it. Next, use a time tracking tool to track your day-to-day activities. It's essential to track your time in real time, so you don't forget what you're doing or miss important details. You could use a digital tool or an app to help you with this. Personally, after testing several software options, I found that the software we'll be using today really stood out because it combines simplicity and powerful features. You'll find an exclusive free trial link in the description below that you can use to follow along. Now, as you track your time, focus on categorizing it. For example, allocate time for work, breaks, meetings, or even learning new skills. This helps you see where your time is going and compare it with your goals. If you're spending too much time on tasks that don't directly contribute to your goals, you'll know it right away. At the same time, make sure your goals are broken down into smaller tasks. For instance, if your goal is to complete a project by the end of the month, break that down into daily or weekly tasks. This way, when you look at your time log, you can ask yourself, did I dedicate enough time to these tasks? And adjust accordingly. A key tip is to schedule time specifically for goal-oriented tasks. Block off time each day to focus solely on activities that directly contribute to your goals. This method creates a structure and keeps you intentional about where you're allocating your energy. Now, when it comes to reviewing, you'll want to look at your time tracking data weekly or bi-weekly. Ask yourself, did I spend enough time on my goals? And how can I improve next week? This will give you a clear picture of your progress and help you stay on course. One thing to remember is that time tracking and goal setting are not one-time activities. It's an ongoing process where you consistently review and adjust. By continuously tracking your time and checking it against your goals, you'll be able to stay aligned with your priorities and get closer to achieving them. So, what's the key takeaway from this video? Combining time tracking with goal setting helps you make more intentional choices with your time and ensures you're consistently working toward your goals. By tracking your activities, aligning them with your specific goals, and regularly reviewing, you'll be able to stay on track and make continuous progress. To summarize, set clear goals, track your time in real time, categorize your activities, and regularly review your progress. If you want to try the software we're using today, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below.